Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting and inspiring story about a vintage Spartan Royal Manor camper that has been beautifully restored into a modern home away from home. Whether you're an RV enthusiast, a vintage lover, or just someone who appreciates good craftsmanship, this restoration is nothing short of spectacular. The Spartan Royal Manor was originally built in the 1950s, designed to be a luxury mobile home with all the comfort and style of a permanent residence. Known for its classic design, sleek aluminum exterior, and well-crafted interiors, these campers were once the epitome of mid-century American travel. But like many vintage vehicles, time and wear had taken a toll on the Spartan. That's where the restoration experts stepped in to bring it back to life. The restoration project was no small feat from the outside. The camper retains all of its vintage charm with that iconic aluminum siding that gives it that timeless, retro look. However, beneath the surface, it's been completely modernized to provide all the comforts of today's homes, with a thoughtful mix of modern amenities and vintage appeal. When it comes to the interior, no detail was overlooked. The designers worked meticulously to blend the camper's classic mid-century features with modern conveniences. From the original cabinetry to the custom upholstery, every part of the interior was carefully restored or replaced to give it a fresh yet nostalgic feel. The goal was to maintain the spirit of the Spartan while providing an upgraded living space perfect for today's traveling lifestyle. One of the most striking elements of the restoration is the kitchen. Modern appliances have been integrated seamlessly into the original layout, giving the space a fully functional, contemporary feel. The addition of sleek countertops, modern cabinetry, and updated lighting fixtures enhances the kitchen's usability while preserving the vintage aesthetic. Moving on to the bathroom, this camper has been fitted with modern plumbing, a new shower, and high-quality fixtures. The use of warm, earthy tones creates a relaxing atmosphere, making this space feel more like a luxury hotel bathroom than a camper's. In the living area, the original dinette and lounging area have been retained but reupholstered in contemporary fabrics. There's also a stylish and cozy sleeping area, with a plush bed and ample storage, offering a perfect place to rest after a day of adventure on the road. It's clear that the team behind this restoration paid close attention to every detail, turning this classic camper into a truly unique and functional space. One of the best parts about this restoration is how it honors the legacy of the Spartan Royal Manor camper. Rather than strip away all of its original features, the team preserved as much of the vintage character as possible. The result is a blend of old and new, combining the nostalgia of mid-century design with the modern touches that make it comfortable for today's lifestyle. This camper is more than just a mobile home, it's a piece of history brought back to life. And whether you're using it for weekend getaways or long-term travel, it's sure to become a favorite among those who appreciate a well-crafted vintage restoration. It's the perfect example of how a little creativity and hard work can turn something old into something new and exciting. So, if you're a fan of vintage restorations or you're just curious about how modern design can transform a classic piece of history, this Spartan Royal Manor camper is a must-see. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you love to own a restored camper like this? Or maybe you've done a restoration project of your own. We'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing restoration stories and design inspiration.